so let's start. This is a question I'm going to do now. Uh, June 2020, 42 variant, question number 6. In my worksheet, question number 8. So let's start this question. Okay. First question is, first part is here, is h of 4. So you know what we do always. First of all, I copy h of function, and you look at here, h of x is given here. All right. So after that, how many x's you have? Leave empty spaces. And what is it? What to find? H of 4. So I replace every x by 4, left hand side and right hand side. So this is h of 4 is equals to, and 4 to power 4 is 256. So after this, so we have done first part. I think so. Okay, what this mean? I just elaborate. 4 to power 4 means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 time multiply. So it's a very clear sense. Okay. So let's go for the part number 2. Part number B I'm looking for. So what is the B part? He's asking f g of 1. It means first put 1 in g. So it means I will copy g here. Okay. So g is what? G of x is x to power 2 plus 1. Done. After that, how many x's you have left and right? Leave empty spaces. And what to do now? I have to put this one in the place of here and here. So I'm putting 1 and 1. And this is giving me g of 1, which is answer is very clear 2. Now I'm writing the word again because I want to proceed the same way on the next part. Full g, this answer g of 1, I'm going to put in a f. If you're not understanding, I repeat again. What my plan? G of 1 replace in f. So f I'm going to copy here. So f is what? 3x plus 2. So f of x is 3x plus 2. And I know my my habit. I all x's empty spaces I kept. So what I will do, this g of 1 name I will copy here. This value I will copy here. So let's write g of 1. And here I write 2. After this, what is the situation? You understand? Left hand side, I got f g of 1, and 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2 becomes 8. So I have done this part, alhamdulillah, very easily. C part, let's talk about C part. C part is very clear sense. He said, show this one like g f of x. So this function, I have to put in a g. So first of all, I am copying g function. Okay, done. And g function is x to power 2 plus 1. And how many x's? I will leave empty spaces. Okay, and I will put what? This function f name here and its value there. Repeat. I repeat what I'm saying. Function of f name here and its value 3x plus 2 here. So I think so very clear sense. So I'm writing left hand side f of x and right side its value. Now here I have to use what? Square identity. And all of you familiar that how to handle this part. G f of x. Here you have first terms. Okay. First term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. And plus 1 I wrote here down. Now first term is 3x comes here and here. And 2 comes here and here. So you know the idea. Okay, let's change the color so you can differentiate easily. Okay, and now my next step is so simple. I have to just solve g f of x is equals to 3 square give you 9 and x square. So you have to must focus here. 2 3s are 6 and that 6 into 2 give you 12x and 2 square 4 plus 1. So alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. So 9x to power 2 plus 12x plus 5. Okay, and if you compare this answer, sometime he asks you what is value of e. So beside of x square, we written a. So a is equals to 9. Beside of x, we have given b. So here beside is 12. So I can say that b is equals to 12. And this alone number here, alone number is c. So c is equals to 5. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. So this ABC part's over. So let's see. Okay, let's start D part. Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. How to D part? So D part is what we have. Look at here. F of x is equal to g of 7. So let me go back and I need to copy the question first of all. So questions are f of x. Let me copy questions first. So f of x is equals to 3x plus 2. G of x is equals to x squared plus 1. And h of x is equals to 4 to power x. Now turn the page and I go for the next part. Come back. So my plan is to solve this one. All right, let me write exactly. I'm copying at f of x is equal to g of 7. Clear plan is there. F of x exactly function value will come here. Exactly. So I'm copying 3x plus 2 equal sign. What is this one? G of 7. So I'll put 7 here and 7 here. So let me write. And you know my habit is what? Look at here. G of x is equals to x squared plus 1. How many empty spaces I leave as this one? X is okay. And then I put 7 because this 7 will come here and here. So indirectly 7 and 7. And this value I'm copying there. I mean to say x squared plus 1. And I write with a different color here 7. I think now you are understanding very well what is going on. Okay. So let's solve further part. Okay, completely. So here I got 3x plus 2 untouched. 7 square is 49 plus 1, 50 comes. These two will go and subtract from there. So I'm getting 50 minus 2, 48. And now this 3 will divide. When divide, I get 16. So this is my answer for the part number D. Now I'm going for E part, F inverse. Where is F? Actually, F is here. And you know the process. Let's go for E part. First of all, copy function as it is first job. Job number 2, remove function name, copy Y. After that, I have to make X subject somehow. So this to add will go there and subtract. This 3 is multiplying with X, will divide there. I think you understanding what is going on. So I got this side changes. When I side fully changes left to right and right to left, not a single sign change. And after that, I will do what? Interchange. And all of you know what is interchange means. I'm writing interchange here. X become Y and Y becomes X. I mean, this X turned to be Y and this Y turned to be X, and rest no change. And this Y could be called as a F inverse. So Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, I have finished my task of finding F inverse as well. After this, I have very important part that I'm doing here, and that is a part number F. Okay, part number F, and then we'll go for the last part. Okay, so yes, I'm going to do now part number F, and then question, yes, part number F, and then inshallah part number G. So Bismillah Rahman Rahim, part F. G of x divided by f of x plus 1 plus x, sorry, this is our question. So in the place of g of x, I will copy its value. Similarly, f of x, I will copy in the place its value. Done. So I removed and replace the values. So x squared plus 1 divided by 3x plus 2 and plus x. Okay, now many students stuck here what to do. If I have a question like this, so 5 by 7 and plus 1, how would do this kind of question? So 7 LCM, because they match, we always 5 copy. But when nothing is there, let's say even 4 we have, what to do in this option? We simply multiply 7 4s are 28. It means like this. Or if you don't like it, I have another way. Into 7 up and 7 down. So now 7 match. So 4 7s are 28. So same process I will do on the top. Okay. So look at the way how I do. So what is LCM? All of you know 3x plus 2 LCM. Okay, because this LCM is matching with denominator. So upper part just copy as it is. And this value simply multiply with x. This is a criteria of the topic like this. Now simply I have to solve, and that is my step. X times to 3x will give you 3x squared. X times to 2 will give you 2x, and divided by 3x plus 2. Now 3x squared and plus a 1x squared will give you 4x squared. And this 2x copy after that in order, 2x, and then this one comes at the end. Okay, and down I have 3x plus 2. He said make single fraction, and I have done it. So that is over. Let's talk about the last part, and that is G part. He said h inverse of x of 2. You know, this is a question how to deal. I think I taught before. For example, k inverse of x is equal to 10. Whenever this k inverse goes on other side, what happens? You know, inverse will go automatically eliminate, and then 10 will come in bracket. This is a process. Again, I give another example. P inverse of x is equal to 2. So when this P inverse goes on other side, inverse will go automatically away, and this 2 comes here. Same story here I do when its h inverse goes on theirs, that side. So x stay there, but inverse of h will eliminate when it goes on the right hand side, 2 there. And if I ask you how to solve this one, you say not a hard job, sir. Simple, put 2 in h. And where is h? H is this. I'm copying here. H of x is equals to 4 to power x. And I put 2 here and here. So what is the situation we have like this? So that is why I'm copying here 4 to power 2. And x is equal to 4 power 2 means 16. So Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, I think you got all idea. So
Can you repeat this question?
no problem. I repeat again.
Part number G.
Part number G. Okay, I repeat again for you, no problem at all. Okay, I give another example before I start. H inverse of x is equals to 3. How to handle this question? So first of all, you will bring this h of inverse on the other end. So x will stay here, and when h inverse will go there, inverse will automatically goes away. And now what is this meaning? You know that put 3 in h. And how to deal 3 in h? I do rough work. H of x is what? 4 to power x. From here I copied. Okay. So what to do? I put 3 in the place of x. Not only left hand side, even right side also. Okay. So h of 3 is coming 4 to power 3, which is 64. So I can write the 64 here. I think this is a whole story, and which we got idea very, very clear. Alhamdulillah.